Hello, good evening, students. So today we have Mr. Vivek Adithya again with us, and today he is going to walk us through CMA and how to tackle different stages of CMA. So welcome, Vivek, once more.
Thank you so much for having me, ma'am.
Thank
It's
you.
a pleasure to talk to the students through this channel. Yeah, go
Right.
ahead.
Okay. So, Vivek, before we get into the CMA course and tackling each level, first, please tell our children what is the difference between a CA and a CMA professional and nature of work. Do they do different work or is it the same?
Absolutely. That's a very good question, ma'am. Because most of the students, when they are about to pursue these courses, they have a question before them. What is the CA course? What is the CMA course? How are these different? So, from an academic standpoint, most of the subjects that are covered in both of these courses are very similar. Because myself, I took a bit of CA coaching in terms of my CMA preparation. So, from an academic standpoint, the courses are exactly the same. But the difference where it comes in is in terms of the practical exposure and the areas of specialization. So, for example, CA specialize in statutory audits, which is the financial audits. Whereas, as cost accountants, we focus on the cost aspect, the accounting aspect of it, which is entirely different from the area of statutory audits, where you are verifying the books of the company, where you are going through each of the transaction, and you're certifying that everything that is done in the company is right. That covers a whole gamut of the operation of the company. Whereas management accounting, you are helping in making the decisions, is more focused about the future of the business. What has happened in the past? What are the decisions that we have to take in terms of reducing cost, in terms of optimizing profits, in terms of choosing the right product lines, in terms of fine tuning our strategy? It's more operational in nature. So this way, there is a clear demarcation between the CA course and the CMA course. However, once you enter the professional world, that thin line of difference is eliminated, because as students who come out from these professional courses, they have the same amount of knowledge academically. So you study the same syllabus. So it's just about how you leverage your skills, how you work hard, and how you kind of differentiate yourself from the crowd. That is all matters at the end. The degree doesn't really matter.
Right. Thank you. But very nicely explained. Even I did not know the difference between a CA and CMA, but now I have understood that CMA is somebody who is participating in the process and who is in the advisory capacity. How and he advises the senior management of the company before the actions have been taken into. And the CA is somebody who comes at the end and he does the audit, looks into the account books and the transactions, and then gives out whatever his
Absolutely.
observations are. Am
But
I
the
right?
roles are, it's not that the CA cannot do the area of cost and management accounting. It's like CAs do take up the roles of cost and management accountants, because, like I said earlier, all of us study the same thing. At an academic level, all of us are the same.
All right.
But
So
if
it's
you look at
sort
the
of
practical,
overlapping.
absolutely, ma'am, definitely.
Got it. So thank you so much, Vivek. Here.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Right.